Yo, what's going on, my dudes? We're back here with some more device mod development today. I didn't actually announce this on my Discord, so if you guys are getting this notification on your phone and not on Discord, that's because I didn't post it on Discord before it. What up, dudes? We got like somebody like with 1.6 million subscribers commenting hey at the top there. What up, Minecraft EV? How you doing, my dude? Never heard of you before, Let's have a look what you actually do. Let's have a look right here. So you do a lot of... Oh no, I think you followed me on, pretty sure you followed me on Twitter, I remember. Because I got a notification for it on my phone. What up, dude? How you doing? Appreciate you for coming along to the live stream here. This is more of a relaxed live stream. I don't think you'll be here for the whole entire time, but, you know. It's a bit of a laid-back live stream, but let's go ahead. Let's check out, you know, where we're up to in the device mod right now. Because today, what we're going to be doing is actually finally working on some crafting. Finally working on some crafting today. I think it's one thing that I've taken, you know, forever to actually do. Is the crafting stuff. So finally getting to this today. And what up? We got a super chat to start this live stream off. Up? Scanners HD. Hey, what's up? Thank you for the super chat there, dude. Yeah, no, what's up? You know, we're working on device mod today. I think this is going to be... I don't know how long I'm doing the live stream for. I don't know how I'm going to do it. How long I'm going to do it for. Because I want to record some other videos as well today. Get something out for you guys. Because I feel like I haven't done that. You know, I need to get some videos for this weekend done. I didn't get anything done yesterday because it was actually Australia Day. It was Australia Day yesterday, guys. So I didn't actually record anything yesterday. So I gotta get something done. Gotta get something done here. Hi, Cray. Good morning. What up, River? So can we get some hype in the chat today? We're finally getting some, you know, progress done towards the crafting of this. It's taken a very, very long time, but like I wanted to get this perfect. You know, I wanted to get this perfect, so because like everything in this mod has been done well. And I don't want to, you know, skimp out on crafting recipes and make them really, really, you know, bad. So we've got all these different types of components now, and also the RAM. And basically, oh, this is what we did last time. We actually created the motherboard here, which is really, really cool. So we're going to be doing the crafting today, and how I'm thinking about doing it is basically the motherboard here is going to have, like, it's going to have missing components. It's going to have missing components. So you'll need to add the CPU to it, you'll need to add the GPU to it, and you'll also need to add the RAM. Now, I'm not sure what I'm going to do with the hard drive. I think that's going to be separate. But if you guys have any ideas on how to actually craft all these, do let me know. So not the, basically all these components here, how you actually craft them. How do you actually craft them? We still got to add in probably the circuit board item. The circuit board item, I think, will be a good one to add in for it. So I might add that in right now, just so we actually have it, because I feel like it's going to be important. I'm not sure how I'm going to get you guys ideas for recipes. There is like a website to do it on, but I don't know how we're going to, like, you guys are going to send me the links or something like that. I really don't know. Hey, what up, Tyrell Plays? Tyrell, what up, dude? Can it be traded by villagers? I do want to do that. I actually want to make like a computer shop, but I don't know how to do that. I really got to look into it, how to actually add extra buildings to villages. Still doing crafting? Yeah, I'm still doing crafting, dude. We've been working on this for, like, you know, past couple of days here, but I still want to work on it. Get it finished, because it's an important thing. We need it for the sponsor server. We need it for the sponsor server, so I've got to, you know, work on it. Random generation doesn't work like that. I need to actually hook into the actual village thing. You forgot to announce the stream. Yeah, and I forgot to announce it on Discord. I might do it real quickly, just so people that you know, don't have post notifications on do get it. Going live now. Add everyone. Alright, there we go. It's out. It's out on the Discord. In a village. Make a Intel i7 core processor. I don't think I'm gonna. I'm not trying to do like copyright stuff. Isn't today supposed to be server fun? It's Saturday. I don't really have like a proper schedule for server fun. It's always kind of random, but I really want to work on crafting and get that done for the live stream. I really want to get that done for the live stream. When do you release this mod? It's already released right now. You can download it on CurseForge, if you guys know that website. There isn't a link in the description, but I'll get a link for you in the chat right now, just in case you guys want to go download this. Now, the one that you see that I posted is not the one that you see in this version right here. This has kind of got more stuff added to it, but that one should still have like pretty much everything in it. Anyway, motherboard. Alright, so let's go ahead. We need a model. We need to model this kind of just circuit board. What if I go stronger? I like this song. What if I go stronger? Do you use Streamlabs OBS since they have Stream Deck support? Yeah, I haven't upgraded yet, but I am going to. I always forget to put Streamlabs thing up. Hold on, we should finally have an updated list here of those super chatters. Let's see if it works. Let's give it a refresh. I think it's fixed now. Yeah, it looks like it is. So I finally fixed the donation thing up there, so we actually have all people showing up in it. Or we should have all people showing up in it. Hopefully it updates soon. Discord bots are crap, they ban everything and kick everything. He already has good moderators. Yeah, I already have some good moderators to help me out with a lot of things. How can mirrors be real if our eyes aren't real? What? This guy like talking in 3018 talk right now. He's talking in 3018. What software do you use to program your mods? I use IntelliJ and Forge MDK. Sounds confusing because it is if you're new to modding or coding in general. Alright, so we need to hold up. Let's go ahead. Let's load up an image here. Download. I just got so many crap sprites. So it's like a plain circuit board. So we're gonna have a 15 by 15. This should be the most difficult model ever. This is gonna be the most difficult model ever to do. Not really. I'm being sarcastic right now. I'm being very sarcastic. Alright, so we need to go ahead, rename that to circuit board red. Is that how you spell circuit? Hopefully it's right. Circuit board. Alright, I spelled it right, so we're all good. Circuit board red, let's copy that, documents, pop that into our textures of our mod, and then we'll reference it from there when we're adding in the textures to each of the faces. Textures, items, pop that into there, cool. Is that... Alright, so let's take a look at that real quickly. Photoshop. Take a look at this real quickly. It costs nothing to host a bot. Huh. I'm just gonna touch up. I don't know if I like that look. Let's do that. Yeah, I'm not sure what was up with that. He was trying to do something fancy. Let's just modify that ever so slightly. Alright, let's go ahead. Let's just do this. Let's call this body. And image, import, circuit board red, apply, copy, paste. Let's see, up 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, down. Perfect, and then sides. So I was doing north, auto UV, turn that down. This will be perfect after this. I already know what I'm doing. Oh yeah, if you guys are watching my main channel live stream, I was talking about how like in my tooth at the back there's like really I think like I got a wisdom tooth coming through, so it feels like my mouth is like sore when I open my mouth. Like that hurts when I do this, right? Ah. Do I look funny? Ah. And it's like oh, it's like hitting my cheek as well. Oh, we got a super chat here from Scaredus HD, $20 New Zealand.
Love you, keep it up, man. Smiley face.
Cheers, dude, there for the super chat. Appreciate you. And that was a massive donation there. That was a massive donation. Can we get some hype for Scaredus HD right now, guys, in the chat? My sponsors know what to do. But everybody can join as well. Hopefully become a sponsor, dude. You could have become a sponsor, dude. I'd love for you to become a sponsor. Become a part of the sponsor server that we're still currently in development, dude. Have you seen me on Hypixel? What's your username, dude? Hype! Tyrell knows what's up. Haunted Corp knows what's up. Sorry I missed all the live stream. That's all good, Twisted Charlie. Thanks for coming along. Hype River know what's up too. Alright, so that's pretty much the circuit board. File. Save project as. Circuit. Board. We're gonna sponsor. Scaredus HD is sponsored. He's sponsored. He's like, alright, now I'm gonna do it. You know what? I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna sponsor. You know what? I'm gonna say it. I don't care that you broke your arm. I love that meme. You know what? I'm gonna say it. That's a beautiful build. That is a beautiful build. Alright, let's export this and let's go circuit board, JSON, boom, boom, close this off, don't need that anymore, go away everybody, not really. Let's modify the render of it because we'll copy the, maybe not make it the same size as the motherboard, but we can copy the display properties and then just reduce the size of it when it's on the ground. Scale ground. I don't know. Is that really the motherboard? What's like the size of the CPU? 2.5. Alright, let's do 3.5. How weird is that? I reduced the number by adding a number to it. It doesn't like, they're kind of confused, like, I reduced the number by adding a number. It does make sense, but obviously. But yeah, some hype for Scaredus HD right now. So Scaredus, if you actually go ahead and make sure you have Discord and you link your Discord up to YouTube Gaming. And then from there, once you actually do join the Mr. Crayfish server, I haven't announced it yet, but once you're in here, you'll be automatically get this YouTube sponsor rank, and then there's a channel here called Whitelisting, where you enter in your username and then you'll be added to the sponsor server whitelist. Another cause why not, right? Scanners HD, you're being too kind today. You're being too kind today. Appreciate you right now. Can we get some real hype for Scanners HD right now? Minecraft EV, how can we get in touch? Dude, we can get in touch on Twitter if you want. I'm pretty sure I know what your channel is, your Twitter is.
Another cause why not, right?
Unless you want to, yeah, send me a message on Twitter and we'll get in contact on there. That's like kind of my best way to get in contact for anything more private. For anything private. Circuit board. Did I spell that wrong? Spelling change to. Oopsie, I spelled it wrong. Who didn't tell me? Who didn't tell me? Alright, so this is CDM. CDM items. Why? Cray, what is that gaming channel name? What do you mean? I have all my showcase on 1.11 and I don't want to upgrade to my 1.12.2. Refactor rename. Circuit board. Alright, and we just need to rename the texture as well, because it's wrong. I need spelling to be right. This is a professional mod right here. This is a professional mod. Alright, and let's go ahead. Let's actually add this to the game, so it should be pretty easy to do this. I want to make all these components, right? I want to make them meta items because it's pointless. Because I keep doing all these, you know, multiple items here, but I shouldn't really be doing that, so... Let's see. Circuit board. It really shouldn't be like that. New item component. Circuit board. Does anyone know the gaming channel Discord link? Oh, you're asking for that. It's not public yet. It's only kind of invite only at the moment because I've been doing a lot of testing for it for the sponsor server. But if you're like a YouTube sponsor and you're part of the Discord server here, I have actually posted the link in I think it's in general. I think it's in general somewhere. Yeah, there it is. So it's in there somewhere. So if you're a YouTube sponsor, you can pretty much join it straight away. Respect for committing to this for as long as you have. Dude, appreciate that comment there. Yeah, seriously, we're up to, I think it's like 84, 83. Did I fix up the title? I don't know if I fixed up the title correctly. I think it's supposed to be 84. Oh no, I did it right. Yeah, 83. We're definitely getting to 100. I'll tell you that right now. We're definitely getting to 100. For sure. What should we do at 100, guys? What should we do at 100, guys? We have to do something crazy. Also, I want to show you guys this real quickly. I thought this is funny. Oh, I thought this was cool. Basically, I thought this was cool. Let's get to my channel real quick. Hey guys, how's it going? I didn't mean to do that. I thought this was funny. Like, look at this, right? Look at this. Okay? Look at this, ready? Hold up, in a second here. Like, look at all this. Just like a pages on pages of device mod development. All those hours. All those hours right there. I wonder how many hours we've done into this. I really want to start Mod Week soon. I need to announce it. When did we do it last time? Day 1. Oh, we actually started it this week. Oh, interesting. We started it this week. Damn it! Alright, I guess I have to start it next week. Yeah, I'll have to figure that out. Alright, whatever. Well, technically we would have been starting mod week right now. I wanted to do it like exactly the same time. Now it's been over a year since mod week. It's been over a year since mod week. I can't PM you, it must be closed. Send me a tweet and then I'll follow you. Just because I don't know, I can't remember what your username was. Send me a tweet. I might be able to find you, hold up. Yeah, no, I can't find your Twitter. Oh, good. Alright, got it. Alright, there we go. Yeah, I got you now, dude. I've done a bit of modding in the past. I got around to 2K downloads, but I wasn't really that great of a mod. At the point, I haven't really got time for it anymore. That's fair enough, dude, yeah. Modding definitely takes up a lot of time, and especially like you're seeing like the mod I'm developing right now, device mod. Think about how many live streams I've done. Like, no, maybe because like they're live streams and I'm trying to entertain and talk to you guys, that they are delayed a little bit. I mean, like they are extended out a little bit more, the development. But you know, oh, I need to write this down. Hold up, I gotta write something down. I need to write this down. Hold up. Alright, all good. I've joined the Discord, so what do I do? Which one have you joined? Are you in this one here? The Discord API developers. Pretty much, make sure you've got YouTube gaming linked up, and then I can go ahead and... Oh, why is that not synced up? We might have a little... There's a bug with Discord that when you try to sync it up, it doesn't work correctly, so you might not be in there straight away. We'll see, hopefully it works. Integration. See, like, it just says for sync, like, every single... forever. But yeah, we can get you onto the sponsor server like straight away, pretty much. You may also need to make sure you download the actual mod pack too. I should mention that. I'm going to be doing like a whole video about it, so you guys understand how to join and that type thing. Can you sponsor once, then not sponsor and be on the server? Nah, you have to continue your subscription. That's kind of how it works. So it's the same for everybody. So $5 on Patreon or $5 on YouTube Gaming. So it's a monthly subscription. But like that's just how it kind of works, because we want to have a cool community. We want to have a cool community, and doing a public server is it's too hard to manage. Because think about how many people will be on it. How many people are going to use like hacks or something like that. Firstly, paid entry, pretty much, I mean, it doesn't guarantee it, but like it reduces the amount of people that are going to hack by like, you know, 99%. You know, it shows that people that are joining it are like genuine people. And it is $6 a month. What do you mean? No, it's only $5. Unless that's a Patreon thing. Well, technically we're advertising it as $5. I think it's Patreon or something being annoying. I need to get a drink, by the way. My mouth is gonna die if we don't get a drink. Literally. It says for me $6 a month on YouTube Gaming. That's weird. It shouldn't be that. It should be $4.99. I don't know. We might have to fix it up then. Make Patreon the same. We might have to make Patreon the same then. $5.99. Oh, okay, I think it's just different in different countries. I think in actual US dollars, it's like $4.99. Because we're basing it off US dollars, so Patreon is US dollars. Patreon's US dollars, so yeah, there's not a lot I can do about that. 100 a month. It's not 100 a month, dude. Alright, so we should have the new circuit board added in right now. Developer, guess what? It's me. What up, Developer's Copy? How you doing, dude? I saw you fixed up your add-on thing. I'm thinking about becoming a sponsor. Do it, Skelly. Become a part of the Cheese and Cracker Squad. If you guys want to become part of the Cheese and Cracker Squad, become a sponsor. Become a sponsor. Nah, only do it if you really want it, guys. Like, you know, my kind of thing is like, you know, as long as you guys are here, you got post notifications on, you join, you chat, you know, that's good enough. You know, that just shows that, you know, you're a fan. You like contributing and actually making these you know, live streams awesome. I think like the most important thing about a live stream is like actual chat, because chat makes the person, you know, who's live streaming actually have something to talk about and talk to somebody. If there's no chat at all, then it's like him just trying to make up entertainment, and it's very difficult sometimes. Modding is so much work, but mate, try coding a full game. So much stress. Yeah, I don't think I'll ever do a full game. It's just too difficult. Mind you, I've been developing this mod for like 2 years. For 2 years. Alright, we need to give it a name. Circuit board. Alright, so we should have the name now. Whoops. We should have the name now. Let's refresh this. Right. I would sponsor if I wasn't broke. That's all good, dude. Only a sponsor if you guys really want to sponsor, you know. That's how I go about this. Only a sponsor if you're really wanting. So confused why Discord won't let me add you. So I've actually got private. Nobody can actually add me privately. That's just how it works. Are you on the list now? Yeah. Let me go ahead. Let's double check integrations. Ooh. Hold up. Streamer mode is on. I was scared that streamer mode wasn't on, just in case. All right, let me go ahead. I'll close off Discord and reload it up, because that's usually how I get it to work. I don't know why it doesn't work. It just glitches out. I gotta probably report it or something like that. I would sponsor a second time if I could. Not making second account. Not making second account. Patreon. Patreon. See, it's like still stuck doing it. Like, why? Still stuck doing that. I literally closed Discord completely off. Quit Discord. Alright, we'll have it quit for a second here. Alright, so there we go. Alright, awesome. So we have a circuit board. Now we can actually start doing some crafting recipes. Yes, finally! Alright. So if you guys got ideas for crafting recipes, obviously include the circuit board into it. So let's just go ahead. We're going to go ahead and commit that real quickly. Close that off. May I have something to do with the stream mode? Possibly. I don't know why. Because like it starts up brand new, but like it doesn't refresh. Let's have a look. Alright. Server settings, integrations. See, it's still syncing. Hold up. Alright, let's do that. Server settings, integrations. I don't get why it does it. It like just permanent refreshing. Permanent refreshing. Device mod. Alright, added circuit board. Cray forgot to add the battery. I didn't forget to add anything. People are like, you forgot to release the mod. You forgot to release the mod with the new features. That's saying release the mod. You're basically saying to me add a battery, not I forgot to add it in. You're trying to trick me. Man don't like people tricking me, you know? You don't know. You're tricking me. Hey Charlie, you're tricking me. You're not to place without permission, what? If you actually watch the video, you know how awesome my import mod is, considering adding it to the Etcher device mod. Make a PR. Like, basically developer's copy. You've already done what I was going to be doing anyway. Like, the only reason I haven't added it in is because I haven't got around to it, basically. Like, I'm going to be adding support for actually getting a wallpaper off the internet. I know, I just wanted to beat you to it. Right, well, I'm going to head off now. Oh, see you later, Sir Matt Gaming. Thanks for coming along, dude. Appreciate you. Also, you have to close it in the icon tray to fully close it. Yeah, that's what I did. I did actually close it in the icon, the tray, and it's still not closed for some reason. It must be in the background. I don't know. Alright, crafting recipes. Now, how do you actually do this? I'm pretty sure it's a JSON file. Let's go ahead. GitHub. Go to my furniture mod source code. Oh, we got notifications on GitHub. Can't win them all. I'm proud I tried. Glad we had a dialogue. Furniture mod. Do you cheese and crackers in real life? Of course I do. My favorite food. I copied all your comments into my dad's private chat with me. Task manager in that case. Yeah, I guess I'll have to do that. I looked at your jumping castle mod GitHub repo and found a comment in the file saying add pyramid. When are you going to add it? Soon. Basically, I want to add like a pyramid block that you can put on top of the castle as decoration. Like, I literally created the jumping castle mod within a couple of seconds. What did you create last time? Alright. Streamlabs OBS automatically transfers all of the OBS stuff to Streamlabs OBS. If you didn't know. Yeah, I know about that. I actually have checked it out. The reason why I'm not using it right now is actually because it didn't have Stream Deck integration, so I just uninstalled it for now. But I will be, using it soon. Alright, so we need a new folder called recipes. And then basically, I think it's like IDs, right? So let's say I want to create the circuit board. So I would do new file circuit board.json. Where's Jason at? Anyone know where Jason is? He's a good guy. He's a good guy. And let me paste in that. Right. CDM. I don't actually know. I think it loads up. I don't know how this works, to be honest. How does this work? Circuit board. I think it just loads up everything. Because, like, we're literally, you know, creating it here again. We're defining it there again. So it must just load up everything. So how should we create the circuit board, guys? How should we create the circuit board? We're going to go ahead and load up the game here. If you guys have ideas, do let me know right now. Hopefully you can post it somehow in the chat. You know, just try and get it across to me into the chat somehow. Moving you to the bathroom TV. See you there. He really, it's like he's having a bath watching my live stream. That would be elegant. That would be beautiful. Streamer, blah, 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 blah. Is there a code for your website? I don't have a code for my website right now. I don't know about it. I kind of want to get rid of user accounts on my website. I know it sounds strange, but I want to. What shader do you use in your video? Can you please tell me? I use Silda's Vibrant Shaders. Vibrant Shaders. Alright, so let's get a crafting table out here. Let me know what material we should use for a circuit board. Let me know what we should use for a circuit board here, because we need to actually, you know, get a material. Maybe we could actually have red terracotta, or is that too expensive? Or should we have something else? Red nether brick. Where do you get them? Where do you get that from? Red nether brick. So we have like a couple of materials we could use. Alright, so let's get rid of these. What should we have for it? Iron bars. Nether brick, iron bars, redstone. Oh yeah, redstone would definitely be good in it. Maybe some gold as well. Like gold, like nuggets. Nuggets. Or we actually have like, maybe like some gold like that. Alright, we'll play around with some stuff here. If you would stream 4K, I'd buy a new monitor. Yeah, I can't stream in 4K because I don't even have 4K monitor. I think my next step to live streams is actually upgrading the quality to like a higher resolution. Maybe 60 FPS, 1080p, high res. Someone said include cheese and crackers in the recipe. Is there a faster way to set up a pull request? I hate waiting 30 minutes while Gradle sets up everything. There's not really any way. You gotta do it kind of the proper way to do it, unfortunately, dude. Iron bars, redstone, gold, and red concrete. People are saying iron bars. That means, I mean, that's good. I don't know. We'll try around some things. Because, like, red terracotta. What's easier to find? Red terracotta or nether brick? What's easier to find, guys? But you are streaming 1080, 60 FPS? Am I? Wait, what? What the heck? I didn't realize that. Oh, I think I left it because of the recording. Oh. Legit red clay. Red terracotta is easier to find. Okay. Where's red nether brick at? Hey. Where do you get red nether brick? They used to... let's have a look. Let's have a look. Whoops. So apparently they're used to form fortresses. You guys can't see this really well because it's super dark. Where are they used? They're apparently used in fortresses, but where? Where? Or is that a different type of them? Let's see if we can find another fortress somewhere. What's the 60 FPS like to you guys? Because I forgot to change it back to 30 because I use 60 FPS for the recordings of some things. But what's 60 FPS like for you guys right now? Is it actually smooth? I mean, I'm getting kind of lag spikes right now just because everything's generating. We can't get that. I think you craft nether brick, I think. Alright, let's have a look. Hey. Oh, okay. Red nether brick. Okay, that's cool. So you actually use this, right? Let's just get rid of that. I don't want to get rid of these materials. Let's put these over here real quickly. Nether wart. So you get... Where do you get nether brick from? Oh, you get netherrack. Oh, that's cool. I like this process. I'm not gonna lie. So you cook netherrack to get nether bricks. Right. That's cool. Yeah, okay. Red. I'm gonna go for red nether brick. Red nether brick. Alright, let's go back to overworld. Spawn. Game rule. Keep inventory true. Kill. Alright. Get out of here. Okay, so we're gonna do that. Alright. So we've got our material of choice right now. Circuit board on top of the sides. And the model in the middle. 2-minute laptop. I'll get around to that, right? We'll get around to that. Right now, we need to be able to create the circuit boards. We'll get around to the circuit boards right now. Experience realistic images like never before with the award winner. Yeah, this ain't sponsored. This ain't sponsored. Alright, so I want to have nether brick in this. What do we put in it? Do we have redstone? Do we have like this as a circuit board? Circuit board recipe, guys? That's good. Or should we have like... I don't know if the iron bars work in it. I think we should have that. Or make it more expensive and actually, you know, do this. What do you guys think? Expensive or not? Or not? 2 iron on the sides. I wanted to use gold because I think a lot of gold is used. Gold is like the actual circuit part of it. Nuggets or gold, or would it be too expensive? Not expensive. Yeah, what up, Noodle? How you doing? It's good. Gold is too easy to find. Nuggets, gold bars. You should use iron instead of the bricks. We could... Oh no, you can't actually do that. I like this. Someone said gold blocks. I mean, like, think about it, right? If we do, like, the laptop is only going to be like a one-time thing, right? 4 gold. Who can not get, like... Are you guys gonna struggle to get 4 gold? I mean, like, you might have to get a decent amount, but like, I don't want to make the crafting recipes too easy. So I feel like that is going to be a good crafting recipe, to be honest. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? What we can actually do here, I'm going to do something interesting right now. Okay. Let's go ahead. Can we do... I don't think we can do this really easily. We can kind of. Alright, let's go new. Video capture device, no. Game capture, Minecraft. I've already got one here, hold up. Hold up, what I'm gonna do is... Hold on, I need to edit this profile. Whoops. Well, there goes the proportion of that. Transform, reset transform. Alright, hold up. So what I'm going to do is actually put Minecraft over here. Whoops. Oh, that just ruined everything. Put Minecraft over here. Alright, there we go. Let's get Minecraft, move that over. I'll put it there. And this is lock, so I don't adjust anything. Alright, so it's going to be our crafting, right? So this is cool, because what I can do is actually just change this out however I want. And you guys can see this really easily. Alright, so we have brick, gold brick, gold, redstone gold, brick, gold brick. So B will be red nether brick. Let's just ensure that... I think it's always good to just ensure that the metadata is always going to be 0. G is going to be Minecraft gold ingot, I think is what it's called. Let's double check. Gold ingot, yep. And then R is going to be redstone. I think it's redstone dust technically. No, it's just redstone. I don't know if we need to ensure. It just really like, it protects it for the future. It protects it for the future. Are you ever going to do a collaboration with other Minecraft YouTubers? Yeah, I definitely want to. I feel like I want to do something with it. Please tell me, Cray, what your shader in your mansion video? I use Silder's Vibrant Shaders. I might do a video on how to actually, you know, get shaders, because it's one thing that I always get asked, like every single live stream, every single video, what shader am I using? So I might do a video on how to actually, you know, get them. Which one do you recommend for games, C++ or Java? Doesn't really matter, you know. I mean, C++, there's perks and disadvantages for both. You know, C++ it's going to be a lot more difficult. You do have more options though, you have more control over everything. It's great for memory management. But you really do need to know what you're doing in C++ to code a game. Java, on the other hand, still great for creating like small games. Like I know Minecraft is an example of, you know, probably one of the most, it's an advanced kind of coding. But you know, small 2D games, you can easily code them on Java. So you know, whatever one you want to do. Cray, do you remember? It's SOS? Maybe. I think I do. I don't know. It doesn't ring a bell too much, but I'll remember you from now on, dude. I'll remember you from now on, dude. Cray, we'll put your new MCP with Redstone Tutorials and Redstone Hub. Yeah, I want to do that. I want to do that. I want to do that. Alright, so circuit board is done. Circuit board is done. It's gonna be weird. Look at this. You like seeing this really odd screen. This really odd screen. Hey, there's the chair. Have a look at this. Is beautiful. The laptop there is beautiful. Alright, so the next thing that we want to do is a crafting recipe for the motherboard. What should the motherboard crafting recipe be? Now I think about it, does circuit board really need... Yeah, I guess it'll have gold. I don't know if it needs gold on it, to be honest. It doesn't have any gold on it. Maybe just make it bricks all around and add the gold later on. I reckon we'll add the gold later on. So I'm going to change that around. It's still going to have the redstone in the middle. Alright, so next is the motherboard. So you guys got any ideas for the crafting recipe for the motherboard? Let me know right now and I'll start filling in the thing. I'm going to go ahead and get a drink. So you guys suggest some ideas. I'll be back and I'll you know, read them out. We'll take a look at them, sorry. Alright, I'm back. Hey, what up, dudes? Alright, so a ton of you guys said string, gold, green carpet, redstone repeater. So, motherboard. So this can this has to use the circuit boards in some sort of way. Use the circuit boards in some sort of way, guys. So we could have something like that, right? 4 of them. We could have like redstone components on it. So keep that in mind. We could have like we need some gold included on it. Circuit boards on top. On the sides, iron pressure plate. On the, I can't read it. On the bottom. Iron block, bottom right corner. Because I feel like the motherboards are like a pretty important, like, one. I don't know. I need you guys' input here. Redstone, gold, pressure plate, and iron. Because think about, okay, let's have a look at it. That's it there. Think about like the texture. What do we got on there? We got gold, we got the circuit boards, and it's basically four of those. Circuit bomb on the bottom, gold on the sides, redstone in the middle, iron bars or redstone components on the bottom. You said on the bottom twice. Someone was saying this. Gold. I need a crafting bench that keeps all the materials in it. My god. We could have like this. That looks good. What do you guys think? Gold, redstone, circuit boards. That looks good. Yeah, Tinker's Construction has one, but I don't have it. Like, why doesn't Minecraft just do it? Redstone block in the middle. That's not a bad idea, just to make it that, like, slight more expensive. Like that. Circuit boards on the bottom, gold on the side, redstone in the middle, iron pressure plates on the top. Oh yeah, just to represent those kind of extra things. Looks cool. Yeah, some iron pressure plate. We should put like a daylight sensor in it. Like some random components. Might look cool. Like redstone components might look cool to put in it. As like a technical thing. Like have something like this maybe. So you could have like circuit boards, gold, redstone, and there's like all these kind of weird components included on it. Like I want it to be technical. I want it to be difficult. What do you guys think so far? Is that cool? Do you guys like it? Yeah, I like it. Like, it's not a super expensive thing, but like, it's a semi-decent difficult recipe. Maybe we'll change up. We'll make that other one another redstone repeater there. Alright. We'll make it another redstone repeater, so we'll have redstone repeater. We could make that a block. What do you guys think? Redstone block or redstone dust? Comparator? Yeah, I could do a comparator. But the reason why I would want to do it as a repeater, just to make it, you know, look the same. Block? People saying block. Block. Alright, let me just read the chat here. Block, dust, block, dust, block, block, dust, dust, dust. Dust is winning by 1. People are saying dust. All shaped recipes are mirrored in game. Bone meal, block. A lot of people are saying dust. I don't know, I'll use a block, I reckon. Alright, so remember that for now. I'm gonna have to just get out another repeater here. So we had that. Like that. We had daylight sensor, repeater. So I'm saying comparator. That's the thing, like people are gonna get confused with this. So we're gonna be careful about that. But I like that recipe. I like that repetitive. Alright, so comparator, sensor, repeater, gold, block, gold, circuit board. We just have to use it. We'll call this circuit. I'll just call it T, whatever. So C is comparator, comparator. S is daylight detector. Daylight, I keep it daylight sensor, but the unlocalized name is daylight detector. Great, Minecraft, nice consistency there. R is item, Minecraft, redstone repeater. Ah, it's just called repeater. G is item, Minecraft, gold ingot. B is item, Minecraft, redstone, block. Then T is item, CDM, circuit board. Cheers guys there for the suggestions there. Cheers guys for the suggestions, appreciate you. If you guys want to get the mod pack, you can go to CurseForge and search the Cray pack. The Cray pack. Oh yeah, Scanus HD, you're already in these sponsors. Awesome, dude. Hopefully you can get onto the Mr. Crayfish server as well. Alright, so that's the motherboard. Master Chief, start the hype. I declare a super chat war. Let's do this right now. Let's do some hype in the chat right now. Master Chief wants to start it off, but I think that triggers us to do a cheese hype right now. So if you guys don't know what a cheese hype is, it's very, very simple. All you have to do is type in hashtag cheese hype into the chat.
Start the hashtag hype. I declare a super chat war.
Let's do this hype right now. Cheese hype right now, guys. So in 3, 2, 1. Cheese hype! And then as well, go ahead, snap that like button as well if you're enjoying this live stream. I'm enjoying it right now. We're getting some crafting recipes done. It is absolutely awesome right now. So cheese hype. The cheese hype is literally going off. This is insane. Post them cheese emojis as well. Post them cheese emojis as well. You guys went absolutely insane there. Appreciate you guys for the mad cheese hype there. Thank you for Master Chief for starting that up right there. That was all him. That was all him right there, guys. That was all him. Alright, so let's go ahead and let's go design the other crafting recipes now. Other crafting recipes. So, there is going to be a special crafting recipe. How you actually, you know, create the computer is going to be a little bit different. Because it's going to have to be a recipe that's actually designed in code. It's going to have to be designed in code. So let's go ahead, let's do the CPU right now. So the CPU, this one right here. CPU. How are we going to craft this thing? How are we going to craft this thing, guys? Give me some ideas right now. So obviously we're going to have circuit boards in it, but I feel like the CPU is going to be an expensive item. It's going to be an expensive item. We could have something like this, right? Do something like this that we did before, right? And then have like something expensive in the middle here. What should this expensive item be? Not super expensive. People say nether star, but is that too expensive? I feel like a nether star is expensive. We should have like a clock in it. It has a clock. A clock speed. Clock speed. Oh my god. Oh, you guys can't see that. Have a clock in it. Yeah. Someone said add cookies to it. Add cookies to it. Not like super expensive, but expensive. Maybe like diamonds. Maybe like we include diamonds in it. Like diamond speed. Cake is expensive. We want it to be, you know, we want it to be good. We want it to be good. What's a rare material? $64 diamonds. That's what somebody said. 64 diamonds. Like, nether star is expensive. It's very expensive. Two CPUs to make one CPU? Like, do we have two separate recipes? One to actually create the CPU, and then to actually put it on a circuit board? Nether star would be expensive if the Withers wasn't such a wimp. But then, like, you've got to basically go to the nether, get nether heads, and then you get 1 star. So, like, everybody's got to do that if they want a crafting, if they want, you know, that. Maybe a block of diamond. A block of diamond. That would be insane. Like that. I don't know. Like, diamond isn't expensive. Diamond is not expensive. That's looking good. I feel like it needs something else in it. I don't know. But I feel like we should have, like, I feel like the CPU should be like a separate thing. So like we can have like this, right? Iron. And then what else maybe? Alright, maybe have like this, right? Oops. Have this, have gold. and like that to create the CPU part, right? So if you created the CPU part and then you actually have to put that onto a circuit board. Or this could even be redstone instead, which we don't have enough of. Maybe clocks instead of ingots. Like we could have a clock on it. That would be cool. Like a clock speed. I kind of wanted to include the clock on it. A redstone like this. And then maybe redstone at the top there as well. Which we don't have. Just a random obsidian. Random obsidian in there. Alright, so if we got another redstone. So what are you guys' thoughts on this? What are you guys' thoughts on this? What are you guys' thoughts? That looks pretty good for a CPU. It's supposed to be expensive. Because think about it, right? Once you get fortune on a pickaxe and you mine a diamond, you've pretty much already got a diamond block instantly. Like, if you've never got 64 diamonds in Minecraft before, you need to rethink your life. You need to rethink your life. You need to change one redstone into a potato. Hold up. I like the suggestion. Someone said this. Someone said this. Potato makes it have more power. This is the best recipe ever. It has acid in it, yes. People are so confused. No, save Ender Pearl for the Wi-Fi adapter, not a bad idea. Alright, let's go ahead. I think this is just CPU. So, iron, potato, iron. Redstone, diamond, redstone. Iron, clock, iron. Oh my god. Iron ingot. P. Potato. R for redstone. D for diamond block. And C for clock. Make the potato a redstone lamp. That could work. I don't know if it works in the recipe though, because there's no light. Confirm Mr. Coffee's device mode is powered by potatoes. Oh my god. Confirmed, you heard it first. You heard it first here, guys. You heard it first. So that's kind of like the CPU. I want to create like the full CPU. I don't know. Maybe we just have that as the CPU part. Because it does have circuit board in it. Maybe we could change it around. Maybe we do something like, hold up. So this is what it was. Do like clock. That. That makes a little bit more sense. Let's get rid of the potato. It was for a joke. It was for a joke. Clock. B. People like no crayfish. Unsubscribing. Unsubscribing. CDM. Circuit. Board. Yeah, I gotta do so. I mean, that's a little bit better. Circuit board. Alright, there we go, guys. So that's the CPU. Next one we got to do is, we got 3 more to do, guys. So we got the hard drive, RAM, and then also the GPU. So if you guys have ideas for that, let me know in the chat right now. We'll do the hard disk first. The hard disk, this one. So let me open this up. The hard disk, hard drive. Let me know what you should think it should be. It must include a chest. Not a bad idea, dude. Not a bad idea. Maybe a chest, or should we do something more expensive? Because we can do a chest, right? You can do a chest. Maybe an ender chest? Nah, it doesn't make sense. We could do like a shulker box. Shulker box. Shulker box or chest? Because one is like end game, and then one is like early game. Which one? End game? End game or early game? Alright, early game or end game? That viewport is so weird on my eyes. Shulker box in the middle, ender pearl on the bottom, top mid, iron pressure plate, and on the side put 6 iron ingots. So someone was saying like this, right? I want to include redstone in it, so I want to have like that as like a connection piece. Like it's either that, right? And then what did someone say at the bottom? Like this is what it could look like. That looks pretty dope. I'm not gonna lie. That looks pretty dope. Potato on the bottom. Curtis! Curtis just wants the potatoes. Ender pearls don't make sense. That's what I'm saying, yeah. Ender pearl is like more of like a teleportation type item, in my opinion. That's sweet. Yeah, I like that. What do you guys think? That looks good. Now, do we make this actual like specifically that? I think you only can make it. So I is Minecraft. Iron ingot. Then we have R for redstone, yep. And then we have, I'll change this to B. B is silver shulker box. Silver shulker box. Iron ingot. Whoops. Thanks for that, guys. You guys are my backbone. You guys are my backbone. Alright, that's pretty cool. What should we do for the RAM, guys? The RAM. RAM. Oh my god, go on that first slot. So let's get rid of these. RAM. What should we do for this? What do you guys think? Circuit board, obviously. Circuit board, obviously. Maybe we could have something like... Right, we could have like that there. Have like this. It resembles it quite a lot. But I feel like we need some extra components in it. We need something like expensive. What would be a good item? What's an expensive item that we can include into it? Something to do with memory. What's something to do with memory? Need something to do with memory. Emerald, potato. Lever? Yeah, that's what I was thinking because it's kind of like binary. Lever. Oh, you know what would have been cool for the hard drive? Is to have like a music disc. But then again, music disc is hard to get. Or to get the correct one, it would be difficult. Button. Book. A book doesn't really make sense in a recipe. Like, I understand where you're going for that, but it doesn't really make sense in it. I understand where you're going with it though. Book. Gold ingots. Dropper, someone said. But you gotta think about, I don't know, dropper's not really a good one for it, in my opinion. Book. Make it use any disc then. I can't make it use any disc. Because they're all different IDs. They're all different IDs, it's impossible. I'd have to create a recipe for every single one. Tripwire. Drop it as more storage, registering than memory. Like a lever would work. Firework star. You can specify multiple items for the same value. Oh, can you? How do you do that? I don't know the crafting recipe JSON too well. Has given the best he has. What do we do, guys? What do we do? We need some items here. End crystal? Oh yeah, end crystal, I remember you could craft it. You can craft end crystals. I did not believe it myself. I did not believe it myself. We should have used an end crystal in the recipe, but isn't an end crystal expensive? End crystal recipe. Oh no, it's not too expensive. I think it has a ghast tier in it. Should we use an end crystal in it? That's so expensive. It's not expensive. It's glass, an ender eye, and a ghast tier. It doesn't need a nether star. Trust me, it doesn't need a nether star. It's glass. I'll do it right here on stream to prove it. It's a tier, yeah. Look, it's this. 100%. Okay, you guys can't see the recipe, but it's there. Yeah, ready, look. Look. See? Proof. Proof. That's the recipe for it. It's not expensive. So we can actually use that in the recipe. So we could have like that, right? We can have gold, and then we could have like this, like that. That's pretty cool. What do you guys think? Who said name tag in the top middle? Good. Use it. Nice. What do you guys think right now? Line on the top. Good. Yes. Alright. What do you guys seem to like it? On every occasion. Board. Redstone, crystal, redstone. Gold. So B is CDM, circuit, board. Redstone's already there. C is, what is it called? End crystal. I should really make the recipe of the hard drive take in any shulker box. And then G is gold nugget. Gold nugget. No, Cray, you made a mistake. I've made a mistake. That's the hard drive recipe. Oh, whoops. Sorry. Did that wrong, hey. Alright, hold up. So file, new file. RAM. Thank you guys for pointing that out, sorry. Fixed it. Alright, there we go. Alright, and then what else we got? The GPU now, guys. The GPU. What should we do for the GPU? This one doesn't have to be as expensive. I mean, it can be as expensive as the CPU, but do we want to create it expensive again, or should we do something a bit more different? Let me know what you think we should do right now. We could use like prismarine shards in it or crystals in it. This is interesting because it means you have to go to like an underwater temple to actually craft it. So I could use those two there. Someone said a painting. I know where you're going with that, but it doesn't make sense to put a painting in it. The graphics card is the thing that creates the painting, not has it in it. What about screen components like an LCD? Yeah, I've got to add that in. Item frame. Like graphics card be like this. We could have like redstone in it somewhere. I don't know. Prismarine. Gold. I don't know. I'm just throwing ideas together right now. Eye of Ender? Nah. Obsidian. Check the wood button recipe for using different items. Okay, yeah, I'll check that out, dude. Thanks. Thanks for that. Glowstone. Piston, sticky piston, gold. Repeater. We have like some of that in it, I don't know. It needs redstone in it. Otherwise it just doesn't work. I don't know. Nether star? Nah, too expensive. Too expensive. Redstone on top. End crystal in mid, lamp on top, prism crystals on left and right rows on the bottom. Put redstone near, replace the end crystal with circuit board. And we've already got the circuit board. Glowstone isn't expensive. Oh yeah, no, of course it's not. I mean, like, I just don't feel like it fit into the recipe. Is what I mean. String for the wire. I don't know, I'm not happy with it. I want like something cool in it. I want something cool in it. Put a CPU into it. Iron bars. It needs like some sort of, you know, that thing that's something that looks like, you know, we could have the end crystal in this one again. Someone said iron bars in it. Graphics card. Oops. Could have like that in it, I don't know. But we have something like this, I don't know. But it just seems too random. Maybe like that instead. Redstone lamp. People are saying redstone lamp. Ink sac. I don't know, let me know what you guys think. I think it should be one circuit board instead of 3. But I don't want it to make it cheap. I don't want to make it cheap. 3 circuit boards is easy to make. You're using the RAM recipe again. Yeah, I'm not, I haven't, yeah, no, I haven't just, yeah, hold on. GPU, sorry. GPU. Hey, I'm at dinner, fam. Just stopping in for 5 seconds. Hey, Minecraft Doodle, what's up? Thanks for coming along. I won't interrupt your dinner too long. Sounds like put RAM in it. Yeah, I feel like it doesn't... I don't know. Should we have a crystal in it? This is looking pretty cool. What do you guys think about that for it? Or that? What do you guys think of that one? That looks cool. It looks cool. I like having cool looking recipes, I'll say that. HD processor equals CPU. Coolio? I don't know. Magma blocks. Because it's not, this here is an end game, because you don't need to go to the end at all. You can create end crystals without even going to the end. A GPU has memory in it. Oh, the kind of end crystal is our kind of memory type component. I mean, we could say create a random, put one of these in it, put a RAM in it. But that doesn't make sense with that. Or should we put gold instead? I don't know. What do you think? Gold or iron bars? Discord chat. Okay, so it's like an array. Okay. Gold. Some people say, someone said replace that with the memory. Someone said replace that with the memory. But I want to make it like, okay, so memory, right, cost 1 will cost you guys a ghast tier. A ghast tier. So I don't want to make it too expensive. Did you make a texture for circuit board, Mr. Crayfish? Charcoal. Yeah, we got the texture for circuit board already. You already made it for me. Or do we include prismarine in it somehow? 1 prismarine in it. Throw the whole recipe off. Because now you're gonna find an actual temple. Should we throw the prismarine in it, guys? Because that just like... This is funny, right? Listen to me right now, right? Okay. An hour, right? This is an hour. 2 hours. 2 hours. What do you guys want? An hour? Or 2 hours? Throw the prismarine in. Come on, I want to make it a really like worth it to actually get the laptop. Like, it's gonna be like a real cool challenge to get it. 3 hours. You know, it might make it a 10-hour recipe. Might make it a 10-hour recipe. It's not hard to find underwater temples, though. It's not really that hard to find it. Like all these, you only need to go to the overworld and the nether. Yeah, make it over 1000. Alright, I'll put nether stars all in here. 1 hour because prismarines could not be in your world. That always will be. You get them from the blocks. You need RAM and GPU recipe. I didn't want to add it just because it was like expensive. Oh, mind you, it's not. It's already. You already need to get. Oh, that looks cool actually. What do you guys think of that? That looks cool. Nito. I guess that's cool. Obsidian, gold obsidian, redstone. Memory, prismarine, circuit. So O is Minecraft, obsidian. G is gold ingot. R is redstone. M is CDM. RAM. P is, whoops, P is prismarine crystals. I think that's how you spell it. Marine crystals, yep. And then C is item Minecraft. Oh no, it's CDM circuit board. Perfect. So I guess I feel like I deserve the 100% I got in art class. Yeah, you definitely do, dude. I don't mind the laptop being expensive. One of the mods I'm making is based around being super expensive. Yeah, I think like if you make the laptop too easy, then it's not as rewarding. I feel like if it's a little bit more expensive, like not crazy, like I know other mods go crazy, but like I feel like if it's semi-expensive, that like when you actually have the laptop, you're going to be like proud of owning it. And then like, cause like once you get the laptop right, it opens up a ton of features, you know? It opens up a ton of features. Like, I don't want you to get those features so easy. Like, you're going to be able to get a printer. You're going to be able to do all that type of stuff. I mean, we've still got to do the crafting recipes for the printer. But like, just think about it. It's going to be really cool. So that's the GPU. Have we done everything now? Done it, done it, done it, done it, done it, done it. Awesome. Now, how do you actually register recipes? Or are they automatic? Automatic. I think it's automatic. I don't recall it. I know there is a registration thing. Oh no, that's for iRecipes. Okay, I think it's automatic. So if I actually restart the game, we should be able to try that right now. What about prismarine shard instead of crystals? That's not a bad idea, actually. What's a shard? Prismarine shard. How do you get that? How do you get prismarine crystals? Oh, prismarine crystals are dropped by 40% of guardian kills and 33% of elder guardian kills. Oh, that's cool actually. Prismarine crystals are dropped by sea lanterns when not using silk touch tool. Okay. I don't know, shard or crystals, guys? Shard or crystals? It's automatic, Cray. Alright, cheers, dudes. Cheers, dudes. Appreciate ya. Appreciate ya. Let's get rid of that thing. You guys, like, finally can see the whole entire screen. My god. So let's see if we can remember this. I think this is the RAM. Redstone C. Oh, we did a mistake here. I have to reload the game. Shards. Glass. Ugh. If I make cheese and crackers mod, would you add it to the Cray pack? Maybe. Maybe not. I kind of want the mod pack just to be all my mods though. All my mods. Alright, so it should be that, and that. Yay, it works. Cool. New recipes unlocked. Where is it? Ah, there it is. It's in, huh. Oh, it even tells you how to make it. Show-o. That's how you make a RAM. You should create a guidebook just like CFM. Maybe, we'll see. I might do it. It's just a lot of work, obviously. It's almost like writing like a web page up, but I might do it just so you guys can figure out how to do it all. Because it would be nice to actually have like an instruction book for how to craft. So I might try that out. Might try it out. May help out you guys. But the mods aren't crazy and they're only going to be client side. So we got a bunch of crafting recipes. Now how should we actually create the laptop? Now there is like another component I want to add in. I think there's a screen. And we've still got the Wi-Fi. We've still got the Wi-Fi to do. But like we've also got this screen component. I don't know what this is. Minecraft Doodly, you're still here? What is this? What is this here? I don't know if you can see it. Let's zoom it in. What is this? What's that? Oh, no, it's a battery, I think. I think that's the battery. We need to create models for these. Lithium battery. Very specific there. Lithium battery holds about 8,000 megahertz of power. This is the Wi-Fi. I don't know how we're going to do this. I don't know how we're going to do that, guys. I think he's going to have to improve the model so I can actually do this a little bit better. Because like modeling this is going to be very difficult. He's going to have to make it a little more simpler. I think this should be like an entire circuit board here. That should be like, I don't know. $500 milliamp power battery. We have this here, which is a... I might have to do this one. Copy. Set source. This is screen. I'll just call it screen. Doesn't have to be anything fancy. Nothing fancy now. Don't get ahead of ourselves. Screen. Alright, and then let's go ahead and create a model for that. Let's find out the dimensions of it. Alright, so it is 30 by, let's say 19. 30 by 19, so it would be a 15 by 9.5. A 15 by 9.5. Load. Alright, not loading. Rest in peace. RIP. Can we get a RIP model creator? Hashtag RIP model creator. Oh my god. There we go, there's one. So it was going to be a new element, 15 by, oopsie, not that way. We can have this one actually go up. 9.5 and position of it. Like that. And then we'll say main, or say body. Image, import, screen, apply. Cool. North. Alright, cool. And then west. East. We need to flip this north screen around. Huh. I think this works. You can do it inverted UV. Hopefully it works. Up. And then bottom. One, two, three, four, five. Perfect. There's the screen. Export. I should actually use that screen on the model. Cray's doing a 3-hour stream today. I've done 2 hours now. See, I might do a 2.5 just because I don't want to spend too much. I want to record some videos today. I don't want to be spending like late at night. What software do you use to make your mods? I use a bunch of different softwares. You know, to actually code it, I use a program called IntelliJ, and that uses the Forge MDK, which allows you to create mods for Minecraft. And then here I'm actually using my model creator, Mr. Crayfish's model creator, to create these models here. So let's save projects. We'll go screen, export JSON, screen. Alright, close that off. I'm gonna go ahead, copy the RAM. Make this a bit bigger though. Alright, let's load that up. Those textures, I think they should cost 1 cent, fair price. I think there's a dupe line shortcut for IntelliJ, right? Double-sided screen. I know, we need some sort of... We need to get a texture for the other side, I reckon. We need to get a texture for the other side, so it actually looks like there's only one side. If Mike Doodler can get one at one point, that'd be cool. I'll replace it. Congrats to our live stream. Hashtag overtime live stream right now, guys. Hashtag overtime live stream. Rest in peace. Rest in peace screen. It's beautiful. Hashtag overtime live stream. I reckon it should be bigger. Because that's the size of the motherboard. It's about the same size. I don't know, should it be bigger or not? Maybe slightly bigger. That looks cool. Just a bit bigger, you know. You know, I'm dealing with screens here, you know. Let's go to Lang. Ow, did something bite me on that? Just. Screen. LCD screen. Spell red. Spell red. LSTER. Bigger? Who just said bigger? Should it be bigger? Bigger or smaller? LED screen. You want bigger? LSTER. Is that the same size? Oh, it's too big. Yo, pass me that LED screen. Hey, boy. Maybe 0.8. People are like bigger. Someone said bigger. Bigger, bigger, bigger. You need to send me the modified hard drive textures you made. Ah, yeah. Yeah, I have to send that around. Let's just have a look at this motherboard in comparison now. Ah, this looks fine. I think that's good with the screens bigger. Alright, cool. Let's go ahead and commit that. Device items. Screen. Screen Jason. Lang. That's it. Added. Screen. Alright. Let's add a crafting recipe for that. I feel like... Alright, so I got an idea. I reckon for the actual GPU recipe, we swap around the shard, the prismarine crystal with prismarine shard. Yeah, whatever, that's fine. And then the actual screen is gonna have the actual screen will use prismarine crystals. So if you guys have any ideas for screen, let me know. The screen should require the RGB colors in it. Because I want to include these in it. I think it would be good to include these. RGB. Like have one of this. Like RGB, prismarine crystals, some redstone just to give it some electronic look to it. I don't know. And what else? Circuit board. Potato. Glass. I don't know. Glass? Glass or glass pane? White dye. Swap the dyes. And the prismarine. Ah, so you mean something like this. Like that, and then do we have circuit boards in it or not? Glass pane next to the redstone. I wish I could just get it. Glass pane. Clear our inventory. So that RG, where's my redstone at? RGB and like that. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? Or should we have like, I don't know, what else? Should we have anything else that use circuit boards? Because we could have like that there. We could have that there, right? And then have circuit boards down the bottom. Like this, right? That. Oh, I could even just have one glass and have two of these. RGB, like that. Or we have like this. That looks cool, actually. Just like that. Does that look good, guys? Or should we at least have one of these prismarine crystals in it? What do you guys think? Prismarine crystals or just the glass? You're the coolest YouTuber, thank you. Looks good. RGBA. There's no A. The A. I mean, there is A, sorry. But I'm saying that there's nothing to represent. I mean, this is A. With Prismarine. I say this at least one crystal. So crystal, crystal, glass. Crystal, crystal, glass, glass. Replace the glass with crystals and the dyes to be stained glass panes. Oh. Man, you're smart. Someone said this instead. RGB. This. You legendary person. Where'd my materials go? So we have like that. This, right? R, G, B. And you have like prismarine crystals like that. Should be up the front. Like that. That works. That works! Hey, some guys like, you should have to craft every single pixel. You should have to craft every single pixel and make it 1920 by 1080. Craft every single pixel for the screen. Backlit, that works. That's nice. I like that one. So I'm going to put that over there. Let's put screen. And then call this screen. Alright, and then let's do RGB at the top there. Prismarine, prismarine, prismarine. Circuit. Dust circuit. Now this is going to be the one that's going to confuse me. So R is stained glass pane. What's the extra tag here? I forgot what it was. Isn't it data? I'm pretty sure it's data. Let me know if it's not that. G B. Data, yeah. Can I make the casing for the laptop? I can make it real fast. What do you mean? B, alright, RGB, that's all good. Say P. P is going to be prismarine crystals. Then we need C. Already got it. C, and then finally D, which is going to be item Minecraft redstone. There we go. So that's the crafting recipe for that screen done. Perfect. Looks awesome. Be back when I've crafted 2,073,600 pixels then. Imagine that. Imagine that I did that. That makes sense since Prismarine lights up the panes. Yeah, it does. The crafting recipe almost looks like just like a single pixel recipe. Because like if you zoom up on an actual screen, you'll see that there's like RGB, little teeny components on a screen. Don't know how they make it that small, but they do. Like if you look at your screen right now, you can see like little teeny things, but you can't see it from back far. That's how screens work. Yeah, I'm gonna do like the screen. I don't know, I want to do the screen. Make fans for the computer. I can't see the little RGB pixels since I'm on a mobile. Yeah, you won't see it on mobile, it's impossible. Like mine, you'll never see. But they are there. Suggestion, you should make the screen have some kind of color texture for the screen to make it look like it's on when it's opened. And make it give a dim light. Yeah, I'll have to do something like that. Definitely for show. For show. Alright, so crafting recipes. We do need to make crafting recipes for like the office chairs, USB, all that type of stuff. We know the USB should have, I don't know, RAM doesn't make sense in a in a USB. RAM doesn't make sense in a USB because it's not RAM. RAM's temporary. It should be a hard drive in the flash drive. We have a lot of crafting recipes to do, just so you guys know. We have a lot of crafting recipes. Oh well, back to bathroom TV you go. Random access storage device. Imagine that, just a USB that's just RAM. Puts a file onto it, it doesn't stay on it. So I've done all the crafting recipes for a lot of the components. We still need to create... We need to create like an outer shell. Create like an outer shell. What should the let's do the crafting recipe for the chairs. How do we do that? I'm guessing you can do data here. I'm assuming you can do that. Otherwise, how would you do like other stuff? We'll say edit crafting recipes for components. You should add a laptop store that yeah, I want to do something like that. I want to do that. You actually have like a laptop store where you can buy it from, because then it like, you know, might be able to get it easier. Let's do one last crafting recipe here, and in 10 minutes I think I'm going to end off the live stream because I want to go ahead and get some lunch because I'm hungry. I am hungry, my dudes. Okay, so office chair white. So this will be CDM office chair data whatever you want to call it is 0. It'd be very useful. Yeah, it would be. What should we do the chair recipe as, guys? The chair recipe. Office chair. So this. What should we do this as? So obviously we should implement wool. I think that's one of the most crucial components to this. Terracotta. Huh? The cyan terracotta. We should have iron in it. Maybe iron. What should we do for like the wheels? The recipe 2 top rows are coloured wool, black wool, coloured wool. Bottom are iron ingots and the middle is iron pressure plate. This was my idea. So tell me what you guys think. So that. Obviously not entirely that. But I was thinking like this. Maybe we do like that. So this is like the chair, this is the sides, this is the wheels, and that's kind of the middle bit of it. Potato. No potatoes in it, don't like the recipe. Potato wheels. Wooden iron. Use iron nuggets for wheels? That doesn't make sense. You should replace the terracotta with grey wool. But like, I'm using a terracotta texture, that's why I'm kind of using it. I mean, terracotta's not that hard to get. It's an early game item, if anything. This is an early game item, guys. If anybody has a good idea, if anybody has any good ideas to replace the coal, add wool so that you can choose the color. Yeah, that's what I've already done. That's wool right there. So this will come up as a white chair if we use this one. My issue with terracotta is that logically it isn't comforting to sit on. True about that, but you know, we're in Minecraft. Diamond wheels. Some guy wants diamond wheels. Diamond wells. Music style. Emerald wheels, but carpet under your bum then. Okay. We could do something like this then. Here you go. So it's a little bit more comforting. There you go. So there you go. That's the crafting recipe then. Alright, I'm happy with that. So let's just do that real quickly. Oh no. Whatever, Minecraft. No! Windows 10. Calm down. Wool. clay, wool, wool. I'll say T for terracotta. Carpet, wool. I'll say wheel. No. I don't know. T. Iron T. Oh, oh my god. Oh god. If you guys haven't liked the stream so far, make sure you go ahead and snap that like button right now. Say block, iron, block. Okay, wool, wool 0. T is terracotta, stained hardened clay. Stained hardened clay, and it is 9. C is carpet 7. Carpet 7. B and I. B is coal block. Iron. And then last one is iron. Iron ingot. Perfecto. And if you guys are new around here, go ahead and subscribe. Let's fill up that cheese and cracker supply jar there with some subscriber heads. So that's the white office chair. We do got to add the rest of them in. I'm just going to take a little bit, but I'm going to end off this live stream here today, guys. So thank you guys so much for coming along. I'm going to go ahead and do Twitter shoutouts for you guys. So thank you everybody that went over to Twitter to retweet. So I got a big shout out to Developers Coffee, Sorry Your Data for this profile. Just know, thanks for the retweet there, or the quote, I should say. And we got a shout out to Joseph 1000, Omar115, Fabby50, F Sanecraft, Awesome Universe, Chubby Faced, Blob, Donovan Wood, Haunted Corpse, Y Gamer 600. Thank you guys for the retweets there over on Twitter. Appreciate all of you guys and your support. And thank you. You know, we got a new sponsor today. I'm not sure if the new sponsor's still here today, but we got a new sponsor today. Appreciate you for that. Sponsor server will be coming real soon, so look forward to that. You know, we got to finish up these crafting recipes, and then I think the sponsor server is go-to. We also want to build a spawn. A spawn would be good. A spawn would be good. But yeah, that's it. Thank you guys for coming along. I will see you guys tomorrow for another live stream as we continue this. And hopefully we can get crafting recipes done by tomorrow. Thank you guys for coming along. I'll see you guys later. Bye!